parliamentarian over 2 decades. Yes. And I'm the longest serving member in the Lagos State House of Assembly. Yes. And no one, as we speak, has surpassed my history, my position, and everything I think of. No one, and experience as well. So I respect my colleagues in the Lagos State House of Assembly. They are my brothers, they are my sisters, they are my colleagues. I respect them, and I will continue to do that because I spent very most important of my life in that house. Yes. Anywhere you work for 20-something years, you cannot disregard and you cannot take for granted. Yes. I believe in removal. There is no impeachment in the assembly. You cannot impeach speaker. Probably there's a mistake from them. You can only remove one house, please. You can only remove the speaker. And if you are going to remove, you must ensure you follow the rules of the law. I am not afraid to be removed. What else am I looking for? If I serve as a speaker for 10 years, and I've served as a member of the House of Assembly since 2003 up to date. So what is the problem? Nothing. And the former councillor as a legislator. What I'm saying, if you want to do that, do it constitutionally. Follow the due process. Okay, let me ask you. Early in the morning on that day, policemen invaded the House of Assembly, led by the Commissioner of Police. What was he doing in the House of Assembly? What was his business in the House of Assembly? My house in NaijaNews was invaded. More than 200 policemen go and investigate. And this house was blocked. My people from Agege were detained in blackmail over the My children did not sleep in this house on that day because they were locked out, and my wife kept inside. Go and verify. Ask her. Go and verify. For me, I'm not afraid. What should I be afraid of? It is not title of Babamuda's house. So it's just like a soldier. You have to reason like a soldier. When a soldier is going to war, you may come back and you may not come back. And that's my thinking and my reasoning. So I'm not afraid of one house, please. One house, please. I'm not afraid of being removed. If you remove me, you are not taking my life. And it's not going to stop me from being a member of my house. I represent a constituency. And I continue to represent it. I thank God for my people in Agege. Repeatedly, they have returned me to represent them for 6 times. For 6 times. So what should I be afraid for? But all we are saying is that if you want to achieve something, do it well. Not because you realize that I've been out of the country and you have brought policemen to invade the House of Assembly, to invade my house in GRA, invade my house in Agege. It doesn't make sense. Lagos, our Lagos is a special state. It's a state that others look up to, and we must not denigrate Lagos. We must not pull it down. It's not like any other state. If you want to do something, and somebody who claims to be a historian of the assembly, in his erroneous put-up or write-up, said Obasa had been involved in so many removal and all this and all that. Fine, I cannot deny the facts. But let us ask questions. When Pelumi, my brother, who I love so much, and I fondly call him Bodawaidi, when he was removed, he was in the house, and there was no police involvement. It was done on the floor of the house without broken into the chamber and without presenting fake mace. When I told you show my sister, my lovely sister, my friend, when she was removed as the deputy speaker, we were all there on the floor of the house. We did not invite any police. It was done peacefully. And the members that were suspended, it was done by majority of the members on the floor of the house. So if someone is claiming to know much, then you should go back and learn and study how to be